All right, let us start the class now of orders and complaints. What do you mean by an order letter? We did that in the last class. What are order letters? What do you understand by order letters? An order is a formal document. An order is a which places a demand for goods or service. What do you mean by goods or service? When you want to buy something, any material, or do you want to hire somebody? Service offer, maybe security guard, service of a software engineer. Service here means human resource. And goods means products. So when you want to buy something, or when you want to hire somebody, you need to be very clear in your order. And you need to give the detail of the product service required or inquired. जिसकी आपने inquiry की है, उसकी detailed description आपको देना होगा. Before placing an order, one must get all the details of what one wishes to buy or order for. You cannot buy anything without knowing what you want to buy. Drafting an order letter. While writing a letter for order, one needs to display all the 7 C's of communication. Now, why is this important? We already went through the 7 C's of communication. Why is it important? क्यों important है? 7 C's of communication क्यों important है? Why is clarity important? Why is completeness important? What is conciseness important? Why is concreteness important? Why? For making effective communication. Why only one girl is answering? What are the rest doing? Playing kabaddi in class or what? An order can be divided into 3 parts. What are they? What is the first or trial order? The trial order is the first order. How? To check the quality, first you will order. The first order normally is the trial order. The second order is the repeat order. How does the trial order convert into repeat order? When the customer is satisfied, yeah, when the trial order clicks, when you're satisfied, when you like what you have received as a sample, then the trial order can be converted into a repeat order. And under what situations or circumstances the repeat order turns into a routine order? What is routine order? Which by default is happening without any change. For example, if you have ordered some फूड फॉरनी केटरिंग, कहीं से आप खाना मंगवाते हैं, आपके ऑफिस में कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है, वहां के लिए आप डेलीगेट्स के लिए लंच मंगवाते हैं, तो इवेंट के पहले आप ट्रायल ऑर्डर करते हैं देखने के लिए कि व्हाट इज द टेस्ट, वेदर इट इज गुड और नॉट। तो ट्रायल ऑर्डर सब सेटिस्फाइड हो जाते हैं तो आप उसको कर देते हैं रूटीन ऑर्डर, रिपीट ऑर्डर। इट मीन्स द ट्रायल ऑर्डर वाज फॉर 5 plates, the repeat order is for 200 or 500 plates. Now this happened in that event. तो आज जब कभी भी इवेंट होगा तो खाना कहाँ से आएगा? That particular place, that particular caterer, तो वो एक रूटीन ऑर्डर बन जाएगा कि जब भी आएगा तो वहीं से आएगा। दिस इज कॉल्ड रूटीन ऑर्डर। There is a slight variations. What do you mean by the term variation? Yeah, some differences. Of opening and ending sentences of each of these, while other details remain the same. Now, some lines which you can use are points to be included in an order. Reference to the previous communication for first order and request for second goods and request for send goods. Details of required goods and other instructions like place, time of delivery, term of payment, etc. And there should always be goodwill messages. ये goodwill messages क्या होता है? Goodwill का मतलब क्या होता है? To create a good impression of the company. हाँ, the status of the company, the reputation of the company, the goodwill messages always enhances the company's image. Now, some of the situations with examples are given below. Somebody read this, read the examples. Somebody read. Loudly. All right. Let us go back. And you want to order some furniture for your company. किसी कंपनी किसी फर्निशिंग हाउस के लिए, फर्नीचर हाउस के लिए पहले क्या करेंगे? आप कोटेशन मंगाएंगे ना वहां का कैटलॉग. You will be needing some material to check first of all what do they make and what are the sizes they have. तो पहले आप क्या करेंगे? कोटेशन मंगाएंगे वहां से. And then according to your requirement, you will tick mark what things you need. ठीक है? कंपनी ने क्या क्या बना रखा हुआ है, उनकी इंटायर डिटेल्स क्या कहाँ पर होगी? कहाँ होगी? कैटलॉग कहिए उसको, या द कंपनीज मैनुअल कहिए, द ब्रोशर ऑफ एनी कंपनी, एनी. So what is the line? Your quotation is approved. It means you have sent us the quotation and which is approved. Yes, this is a company where we can. Okay, आपको फर्नीचर चाहिए तो आप कितनी कंपनीज में आप कोटेशन मंगाएंगे? बहुत सारे मंगाएंगे आप. You want to check details. Also, you want to check the price. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि रूटीन ऑर्डर है कि जब आएगा तो वहीं से आएगा. तो अब क्या करेंगे? पहले you will check, you will ask for the quotation to from 4 to 5 companies, and then you will check, compare the prices as per the suitability, and then you will select one and then write a letter like your quotation has been approved and we are placed to place an order for the following. Now, what is the following? Chairs, ACs, tables, whatever. Next, somebody read. A different way of writing. Read. Have you put on your microphone or not? And who is going to listen to you?
Leads to the order. Start the letter by mentioning satisfaction with the samples.
It means we have received your sample and we have found it good and we are happy to place an order with you. Like read.
We have tested your sample and found that sample number B99 suits our requirements. We are glad to inform that your sample of terrible suiting has been approved. We would like to receive supplies as follows.
So these are the ways you will write business letters or order letters. Now, end with expectation that the trial order will be satisfactory and lead to regular business. Regular business means routine order. Trial order can be converted into repeat and routine. Yeah, read.
We hope to find everything satisfactory and are looking forward to place frequent orders with you.
What do you mean frequent orders? Explain this line. We hope to find everything. Explain this line. Explain this line. नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछोगे ना कि नहीं समझ में आया है? हाँ? नहीं समझ में आया? जब आप एक्सपेक्टेशन कर रहे हैं एंड करें लेटर तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? वी होप टू फाइंड एवरीथिंग सैटिस्फैक्टरी. मुझे उम्मीद है, हम लोग उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि सब कुछ जैसा हम चाह रहे हैं वैसे ही होगा और हम लोग लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं और आगे भी हम लोग आपसे बिजनेस करने के लिए उम्मीद कर रहे हैं. दिस इज ओनली इट. वी होप टू फाइंड एवरीथिंग सैटिस्फैक्टरी एंड आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू प्लेस फ्रीक्वेंट ऑर्डर्स. और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी आपसे ही बिजनेस करेंगे हम लोग. इट मीन्स आगे भी आपसे रिपीट ऑर्डर या रूटीन ऑर्डर करेंगे. जो लाइन इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती पूछ लिया कीजिए. डोंट सिट देयर क्वाइटली. इसीलिए आप ही से पढ़वा रहे हैं हम. पढ़िए.
If you order goods on the basis of a sample, you expect them to match with the sample.
इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ इस लाइन का? आपकी पूरी बुक इंग्लिश में है. अब लाइन बाय लाइन आपको समझनी होगी ना. What do you understand by this line? Your entire book is in English. Business English ho, management ho, any book ho, it is in English. ध्यान दीजिएगा, नहीं तो नहीं समझ पाइएगा. Stop talking. तो बताइए इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब it is essential that goods supplied should be of the same quality. आप ये लिख रहे हैं उनको कि आपने जो सैंपल भेजा था रिपीट ऑर्डर में, सैंपल शुड मैच द ऑर्डर, यानी कि सैंपल आपने कुछ और भेजा है और रिपीट ऑर्डर में आपने कुछ और कर दिया है, राइट? अगर सेम नहीं होगा तो वो कह रहा है कि वी रिजर्व द राइट टू रिजेक्ट गुड्स, और अगर सेम नहीं हुआ तो हम लोग को अपना राइट है, हम आपका ऑर्डर को रिजेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, which do not tally with the sample. अगर टैली नहीं किया सैंपल तो we can reject your order. Read.
When the seller has agreed to a bargain, start the order letter with a reference. We thank you for agreeing to give us special packing at no extra charge. The corresponding ending would be, we assure you that business will follow on a continual basis if the trial order is found satisfactory.
मेरे पास किताब ही नहीं है क्या? किताब खोल के बैठिए ना, किताब से तो पढ़ रहे हो, किताब बंद करके रखे हुए हैं आप. Yes, read.
If you are convinced that the seller cannot give better terms, still wish to place the order, mention this in the opening. We understand that it's not possible for you to give us export packing without charging extra, but we are willing to take a trial of your milk power tins.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर जो सेलर है अग्री करता है कि एट नो एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज हम लोग पैकेजिंग कर देंगे, आपको कंसाइनमेंट पहुंचा देंगे, देन मेंशन दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज अग्रीड अपॉन. और अगर बोल रहा है कि हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज पे करेंगे आपसे, तो फिर आप उसको मेंशन कर दीजिएगा, वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू गिव अस एक्सपोर्ट पैकेजिंग without extra charging, but we are willing to take trial orders of your milk tins. Somebody from the boys side read. पढ़िए.
With exception of high standard of good service, we hope to find your goods and service of high standard to justify your placing this order with you. If you decide to try an offered substitute, you may order a small lot. We are willing to try the super disinfectant cleaning fluid, which you have offered instead of yellow brand. Finally, we had asked for an invite suggesting that more will be ordered only if the trial order provides satisfactory.
Yes, read next.
We shall ask for further supplies only if we find it suitable for your requirements. In order
मतलब क्या हुआ? हम लोग we shall ask for further supply. आगे भी supplies के लिए हम पूछेंगे, अगर आप if we find it suitable for our requirement. So these sentences you can take straight away from the book. दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, यहाँ से कॉपी पेस्ट करके आप लेटर बना सकते हैं, राइट?
ma'am.
Read. People at the back.
An order placed by telephone is confirmed further by a letter because a sign and writing document is necessary for the formalization of a contract. Open the letter with a reference to the already placed letter and its confirmation. For example, we confirm your order for placed by telephone this morning.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर अब फोन से आपने ऑर्डर कुछ कर लिया है तो उसको भी डॉक्यूमेंट करना जरूरी हो गया बिकॉज रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज रिकॉर्डेड and everything which you have ordered by phone should be mentioned in a letter in a follow up, right? Now this is a sample letter. Somebody read this to understand. Write a letter, write an order letter. So this is what you will write. Read.
Dear sir, we have tested your sample of adhesive paste and found that sample number CR27 is suitable for your requirements. We are glad to place an order for 500 large tins of this paste. Please deliver the tins at your factory address. We received the right to reject material of any other quality. Yours faithfully. Yours faithfully.
Read.
नहीं आया है मैम अभी.
Dear sir, we confirm our order for 5,000 sheets of A4 size bond paper placed on telephone. Enclosed, please find our check for rupees 1,500 advance payment. Please deliver the package latest by 16 June 2014. The balance of 3,000 will be paid after delivery. We shall be planning similar order with you if find our products and service of good quality. Yours faithfully.
Next. Read.
Dear sir, we are willing to try the range of super disinfectant cleaning fluids suggested instead of the yellow brand phenyl. We had asked for please send a trial lot of all the disinfectant products suitable for hospital use. We shall consider placing an annual contract on the supply of the products if the quality suits our requirement. Yours faithfully.
नहीं यार तुम्हारा पहन के
All right, that's it. The next task we shall. It is important for you to read it because all your books are in English, and it has to be explained. It has to be read, and whatever you do not understand, you need to ask.